This is my bag. It's a small Steve Madden bag. So let's get on to the back pocket. Let's just go in the big one. Alright, let's just get the big one. My jacket in here because my boss told me to put my jacket away, and I did. I have my portable charger just in case my phone starts to die. My phone is dying right now. It's at 16%. I need to charge it. Which is where the back pocket comes in handy because I got my iPhone charger, my headphones, just in case I want to listen to music. Actually, I can't even say that because I don't even have music on my phone. I'm sorry for lying. Emergency hoops, just in case my ears feel naked. 2 hair ties if I want to do different hairstyles. I have 2 bobby pins. I don't use bobby pins, but I have 2. My hand sanitizer. Another hand sanitizer, because it's better safe than sorry. I have tissue, just in case I have a runny nose. I know that sometimes I get a very runny nose, and this is where this comes in handy. Lotion, just in case you guys are ashy, or if I'm ashy. I usually mainly use this on my ankles because perfume smells good. I usually take it with me in the washroom if I have to go in public. I have my lipstick from Sephora, lip gloss from Sephora, a bunch of Philippines gum from the Philippines, and I have my wallet, and that is all that's in my bag. Sorry.